What is up, guys? Today we're talking about little hands picking up stuff, and we got ourselves the Raptor Reloaded hand here, picking up a bunch of things, and it's for enabling the future for people who don't have hands, and so they can feel what it's actually like to have a hand. And this is the type of plastic we use for this hand is PLA MK3, and the hand design is 126% scaled.
Alrighty, so here with the Raptor Reloaded, we have some objects that we can pick up. We got an eraser, so do that and let's pick up. We got a block of wood. You can do that. So you can pick up some pretty standard objects, and sunblock. Don't want to get sunburns out there. All right, I'll give it off to Hunter now.
Alrighty. Well, that's all we have for now, folks. Yeah, have a good day.